The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Carroll County in east central Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Are you kidding me?
Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source,
Why not Pittsburgh?
Impact expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Salem, East Liverpool, Carrollton, Calcutta, Minerva, Lisbon, Latonia, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern.
Well, what do you know, guys?
Delaware. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Sorry, wrong one.
The forecast for